Welcome to the Hunter Overview series. I am your host, Dennis DeBevick, Director of Technology with Cyberwolf Software, and in this video we're going to cover why you need Hunter. Here's a question for you. Can your end users get their data? End users are putting data in databases all the time. Many of those databases are very complicated. They have a lot of data, a lot of different places, etc. But can they go back and get that data? That data is of no use unless business decisions can be made on that data. Well, with Hunter, they can. Get your data with Hunter. Hunter provides a very unique interface for retrieving data. You don't have to wait for information technology personnel to build you custom reports. You don't have to learn Crystal reports to pull your data. That can be very cumbersome. Crystal reports can be very confusing and certainly requires at least some degree of technical knowledge. Also, you don't have to learn the details of a database or structured query language. Hunter protects the user from all of those things. So we believe that Hunter is an end user tool for getting their data. Really? Let's take a look. Hunter runs as a web application. Here I've opened the Hunter application for the Northwind SQL database, which is a Microsoft example database. It contains orders, customers, and products. So if I'm an end user and I've been putting data into this, and now what I'd like to do is I'd like to be able to get a list of orders over a particular date range. So maybe I want to know what date that order was done. Maybe I want to know some information about the price or the quantity of items, maybe the discount provided, or maybe the cost. As you can see, Hunter has a nice drag and drop interface that allows me just to pull objects and drop them in my query. Maybe I want to know the product name that was ordered. That makes sense to know. In this case, I'm going to do a drop insert. Maybe I want to know what customer made that order. Okay, so now I can right here have a list. Maybe I want that ordered by customer name. Maybe then I want to see the most recent orders first. So on my second sort, maybe I want that to be a descending sort. And here, maybe I'll move customer name to the front. So now, let's say, okay, now I need a date range, right? So let's say I want all orders that were put into the system after January 1st of 1998. Okay, and maybe I want to send that information to Excel, because once I get it to Excel, most users are comfortable with how Excel works and they can do additional analysis or additional things with that data. Let's run that query. And here we have our data all ready to go. We have it in order by customer name, our most recent orders first, what was ordered, the quantity, the unit price, the discount, and the cost. So you can see in a matter of moments, I've been able to build a query and get my data. That took hardly any time at all. But to even make it better, I can then take that and save that query for later use. And I can call this my test query. Orders for customers. And save that. Close. Now once I've saved that, I can use that over and over again without even having to drag and drop those objects into my query. So if I clear that out, now open it up, and there's my test query, orders for customers. I just select that, and boom, here it is. Wow. In just a matter of moments, I've been able to run Hunter and pull data right through a web application. Nothing gets installed on the user's machine. We're ready to go. We can ramp up a variety of applications and users. That's pretty powerful. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this adds some interest for you on the Hunter product. And if you need anything, please give us a call.